Okay, what I have here is a CAN number reader. This device over here, it is a CAN card number reader. So basically it will read off all the CEPAS card that is issued in Singapore. It can be Ezlink, NetsFlashPay. There will be this number called the CAN number. So in this example, the number is 1002 1900 0195 5130. So basically what this demo is to show you that this card reader can be connected to the computer and act as a keyboard. So the software that we have now in front of the screen is OpenOffice Calc. This can also be Excel Spreadsheet from Microsoft, and there will be also a demonstration of the same thing using Google Spreadsheet. So now I will scan the card on the reader. So as you can see, the number is printed on the cell, followed by a enter key. So this enter key is optional. There's also a beep sound which is optional. So user can choose whether they want to have the enter key at the end of the sequence, or if they want the sound beep. So for this, I've enabled both the beep and the enter key. So you can carry on scanning different tags. Scan, 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 scan. Okay, so now I will switch over to the Google Spreadsheet. Same thing, just scan, it will just enter in. So for every registration card, you can just tap on it to capture the CAN number on this card. So CAN number is a unique number. This can be a number that you can use it for registration or attendance taking. So it's up to your software to do it. So a simple Excel spreadsheet is able to help you capture all this. So it's very simple, just connect into the computer. It will be like a keyboard that key in the number into your spreadsheet. That's all for this demo.